Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2014 Honda CB500F with ABS brakes. This standard style naked street fighter, call it what you will, beautiful twin cylinder, lightweight, fuel injected, liquid cooled, ABS brakes, only 6,000 miles. It's got that nice little windscreen. Come on by, make your lightweight twin sport dreams come true with this beautiful 14 CB500F. Price to sell for just $47.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.